Morning, guys. It is now the 16th, Thursday. I'm going to do a little pre-market review, see what's going on. Obviously, we had quite a bit of movement yesterday. Right, so let's take a look at gold. So gold's moving up now to that target area we were speaking about at the beginning of the week. We have this old high, which we thought was going to get hit. We're now in this 4-hour fair value gap. So this will be a key level to watch. We will see some rejection off of here, but this old high still seems to be in play. I had a position secured, I think from Tuesday, which I've been holding. In terms of the daily, here's our previous day low, previous day high. We took the high, it seems, late last night. We've already come down into the 0.2, so I don't really see much need, and obviously we've already hit the 1.3, 1.2 over here. I don't really see much need for it to come back down here, so I would just anticipate gold to keep grinding today, ideally to try to get through this 4-hour fair value gap. Obviously it could reject, but I'll just be looking for opportunities to go along. Maybe I'd open another dip down. I wouldn't want to see it go lower than this area here, with a 0.4, 0.5. But yeah, could look for longs here. You know, if we're kind of still like this, then maybe look for a long in this fair value gap. But yeah, gold's looking good on the long side. Let's have a look at NQ. So NQ, so yesterday we had quite a big move up. Trying to figure out, see where our weekly high is quickly. Okay, so this is our weekly high here. Previous week high, sorry. Our previous week low, we already took our previous week low, which is interesting. Yeah, so we know there's only an 18% chance that it gets up here. We ran the weekly low on Monday. We never hit the 1.2 or the 1.4. So this is kind of interesting. I'd probably be looking for shorts whilst we're still in this 4-hour fair value gap. If we pop above this high here, then yeah, most likely we will run previous week high. It doesn't seem likely, but the structure does seem like it's turned kind of bullish. So you have this 4-hour fair value gap below. The best trade might be push down into this, something like that. So if we look at our weekly candle, so that's what our weekly candle looks like right now. So I'd be careful, for sure. It could just end up going nuts and taking previous week highs, but I don't think that's what's going to happen this week. So yeah, I'll just be looking for short scalps down here into this 4-hour fair value gap. And then if we get into this fair value gap, I'd be looking for longs, kind of back into this area. Maybe they'll try to run that high. If we get down into here, if we close through this, if we're moving aggressive, then the 1.2 and the 1.4 could be on the menu. But I'll definitely be keeping my scalp short. Okay, so we'll look at Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin's pushed up quite a bit. We got this really down to 89,000. We're still looking at 84, 82,000. We have our monthly 1.2 here, 1.4. So see, we kind of came up. We haven't quite dipped into this bearish fair value gap here, but I think the key level here would be this one, this fair value gap here. So let's see what happens if it gets in here and it starts forming bullish structure on the 5 minute. I'll take a long up into here. If we close right through this, then I'd be looking for this low to get run, retracement back up, and then I'd be targeting some of these ones down here. But I know we do have some news today, so we'll definitely pay to be to be careful. US30 looks very strong, so I'd maybe be looking for a push down here and then trying to catch the longs out. But we'll see what happens, guys. If the market looks good, then I will jump on for a live session today. But alright guys, I'll talk to you later.